everyone! Ever wished you could set your favorite Spotify song as your ringtone? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do just that. But, heads up, it's not as straightforward as you might hope due to Spotify's DRM protection. Don't worry, I've got some tricks to help you out. Let's dive in. First, let's talk methods. The simplest way involves recording the song while it plays, creating a local audio file. Here's what you'll need. For Android, a screen recorder with internal audio recording or a voice recorder app. For iPhone, the built-in screen recording feature and a ringtone maker app like GarageBand. For better quality, I recommend using a computer with software like Audacity. Alright, let's start with the recommended method, using Audacity on your computer. Step 1. Download and install Audacity from their official website. It's free and easy to use. Step 2. Configure Audacity. Open the app, go to Audio Setup, select Windows Wasapi for Windows or Core Audio for Mac. This will let Audacity record your computer's internal audio. Step 3. Prep Spotify. Queue up the song you want but don't play it yet. Step 4. Record the song. Click the red record button in Audacity, quickly switch to Spotify, and play the part you want as your ringtone. Once you've got it, stop the recording in Audacity. Step 5. Edit and export. Trim the audio to under 30 seconds, then go to File. Export and choose your preferred format like MP3 or WAV. Now, if you're using your phone for this, here's a quick rundown. For Android 1, enable the screen recorder with internal audio. 2. Prep Spotify and start recording. 1. Play the song. 4. Stop the recording and use a video-to-audio converter app to extract the MP3. For iPhone 1, enable screen recording in Control Center. 2. Prep Spotify and start recording. 1. Play the song. 4. Stop the recording and use GarageBand to extract and trim the audio. Once you have your audio file, you'll need to set it as your ringtone. Here's how. For Android 1, transfer the file to your phone's ringtones folder. 2. Go to Settings, Sound and Vibration, Ringtone. 3. Add a custom ringtone and select your file. For iPhone 1, transfer the file using AirDrop, email, or cloud storage. 2. Open GarageBand and start a new song. 3. Import the file, trim it, and export as a ringtone. 4. Set it via Settings, Sounds and Haptics, Ringtone. And there you have it. Now you can enjoy your favorite Spotify tracks as ringtones. Remember to always respect copyright laws.